I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using Weebly. First, get into your site's editor, log into your Weebly account, open your site, and click Edit Site. Once you're in the editor, head to the Pages tab. This is where you control your site's structure. Click the plus icon and choose Blog Page. Weebly will add a dedicated blog section to your site. Give it a clear, simple name like blog, journal, or news so visitors instantly know what to expect. Keep names short and consistent with your brand voice. You can always change this later if your focus shifts. Now let's create your first post. Navigate to your new blog page, then click the New Post button in the bottom right corner. Start by entering a post title that's descriptive and searchable. Think about the main keyword or takeaway. In the post area, use the drag and drop tools from the left sidebar to build your content. Drop in text elements for your introduction and body, add images to break up long sections, and include videos or slideshows if they help tell the story. Keep paragraphs scannable. Use subhead-style sentences to guide readers, and make sure images are sized appropriately so your page loads quickly. Before you publish, open Post Options. Here you can add categories that group related posts together, making it easier for readers to explore topics. For example, you might have categories like tutorials, updates, or tips. Consistent category names help with navigation and long-term organization. When you're ready, click Post to publish the entry to your site's draft state, or choose Save to keep working privately. Saving as a draft is handy if you're planning a series or want feedback before going live. Next, customize your overall blog settings. Adjust the layout to match your style. Choose how posts appear on the main blog page, set how many posts display per page, and manage comments. Fewer posts per page can improve loading speed, while more posts encourage browsing. For comments, decide whether you want to allow them, require moderation, or disable them altogether, depending on your audience. You'll also see a sidebar with default elements like author info and archives. Personalize these to fit your voice, or remove what you don't need to keep the page clean. Finally, make your work public. Click the Publish button in the top right corner.